Hi everyone, I am Alma Ramirez Lastimoso, Best Ed 3 Social Studies, and our subject is Ed 304. My assigned topic is Education 4.0, Responding to the Demands of Society. Education 4.0, Responding to the Demands of Society. In such a hyper-connected, disruptive world, education has no option but to adapt to these changes in industry which are brought by disruptive technologies. The solution is an implementation of Education 4.0. What is Education 4.0? Education 4.0 is a purposeful approach to learning that lines up with the Fourth Industrial Revolution and about transforming the future of education using advanced technology and automation. Creativity. Creativity is the foundation of Education 4.0. It emphasizes the need to prepare students to take on challenges head-on. Education 4.0 will require gradual paradigm shift, demand-led instead of supply-led education, competency-based instead of knowledge-based, lifelong learning instead of front-loaded learning, modular degree instead of one-shot going, emphasis on EQ than IQ alone. The basic purpose of education and training is to empower an individual lead a successful life and contribute for best him, family, society, and nation, and to humanity. Therefore, training is the most effective tool to achieve this outcome. Since youth are the main asset of any nation, education becomes the most powerful tool for social transformation. Education 4.0, the future of learning will be dramatically different in school and throughout life. Global connectivity, smart machines, and new media are just some of the drivers reshaping how we think about work, what constitutes work, and how we learn and develop the skills to work in the future. The concept of a 100-year life becoming the norm and the majority of the spent studying and working means the learning will be a lot more important and different for next generations. Most people will have at least a different careers requiring fundamental re-educating, while the relentless speed of innovation will constantly demand raw skills and knowledge to keep pace, let alone an age. A vision for the future of education, from schools to lifelong learning, how it will evolve, the driver's inspiration, and what will matter most. Educationalists debate the many ways in which the content of education at all levels and the process of learning will lead to change over the years ahead. Disruptive innovation Garo Clay Christensen, for example, points to the dramatic unbundling of education from its current forms so that it can be personalized, repackaging, peer-to-peer, and continuous, whether it is in classroom or workplace, online or offline, structured or unstructured, taught or learned, standardized or not, certificated or not, then learning is likely to break free from the mindset in the coming years. Education 4.0 is a desired approach to learning that aligns itself with emerging this industrial revolution focuses on smart technology, artificial intelligence, and robotics, all of which now impact our everyday lives. For universities to continue to produce successful graduates, they must prepare their students for a world where these cyber-physical systems are prevalent across all industries. This means teaching students about this technology as part of the curriculum, changing the approach to learning altogether, and utilizing this technology to better improve the university experience.